Namaste. Welcome, gentlemen. Do you have a nerve injury or damage to the spinal cord that you believe is impacting the performance in the bedroom? Well, it's Anita Tadvarthi. I'm a licensed acupuncturist with 20 years of experience. And these type of cases have come to me in the clinic. So I want to share the best tips that I can pass along to help you being your best self as a man on the planet. Before we go into what the acupressure points may be that can help you and that can bring blood flow to the nerves and the spine and thus help you with your performance in the bedroom, I want to give you a little bit of an anatomy lesson. Here we have Adam, and Adam has cervical vertebrae. He also has thoracic vertebrae, and he has lumbar vertebrae. Now in clinic, oftentimes that I've seen that if any of these are damaged or have injury to them, it's going to impede the performance of the genitalia. Now let me explain to you a few concepts from Chinese medicine that I may have introduced to you before. You have the spinal nerves, and you also have the spinal vertebrae. Well, in Chinese medicine, the top represents the bottom. And so if you can bring blood flow and circulation and help the healing process of the vertebrae on top, it's going to relate to the bottom. And also, so much of back and neck tension can contribute to not only the neck pain, but the lower back pain as far as mid-back pain. And then the lower lumbar is so important because the lower lumbar is also where the ejaculatory reflex is, and also the lower lumbar in Chinese medicine mirror images the front of the body, which can help you so much with that blood flow to the genitalia. So I want to introduce to you a concept that can help you to bring blood flow to the entire spine. And also, as this blood flow is given to you, then you'll have more sensation of the back and also the genitalia. Also, if you are struggling with pins and needles feeling, hot and cold sensation, or lack of feeling, or simply pain, these acupressure points can help manage that discomfort and bring you relief, so that you can have more harmony in the back of the body where your nerve injury may be, which can help you on the front of the body so that you have more blood flow to the genitalia. Let me introduce a concept in Chinese medicine that may help you. In Chinese medicine, each of the fingers represent the spine. The last digit or segment represents the cervicals. The middle represents the thoracic or the middle of the back, and then the most proximal digit to the palm represents the lumbar. And because we have 5 on each hand, we actually have 10 holographic images of this. Also in Chinese medicine, the fingers also represent the eggplant or the genitalia. One simple acupressure point that you can do is simply massaging all the fingers simply like this or like this. What this does is that it brings blood flow to the spine. It helps the spinal nerves repair. It also helps you to have more blood flow to the ejaculatory reflex, which gives you more control. And because the spinal nerves have more blood flow, then the dermatones that it relate to can have more sensation or can manage the pain that you do have. And as that happens, you have more blood flow to the front of the body and the genitalia. Now, with all things, you should most definitely get checked out by your physician, because there may be some cases that are surgical, but you'll need your doctor to review and see what can be managed through therapy, such as Chinese medicine, and what is surgical. Now, when you do have surgery, if and when you do have surgery, you can still do these acupressure points, because they will bring blood flow to the area so that your doctor can do the surgery more easily, and your also post-surgical recovery will be a little bit more fluid. This is what I've seen. So if you're struggling with any type of nerve injury or back pain, or you're also having discomfort by not having the satisfaction in the bedroom that you desire, I want you to not only work with your doctor, but consider doing this acupressure protocol for a couple of minutes each day. Here we go for the next 2 minutes. I wish you all the best.
We would like to thank Anita's friends and business contacts who donated their time, money, and medical supplies to the Revitalize Free Clinic.
We're here in my grandfather's marriage hall, which is now being converted into our clinic or free hospital. We have been here for 4 months, and we have treated about 1,000 patients with over 8,000 or 9,000 patient visits. Most of the patients are farmers and agricultural workers, so a lot of the things that they're dealing with is pains, lots of different types of